Have you ever heard of Saint Aaron, whose humble prayer turned the tide of despair? In the 6th century, a young shepherd lay lifeless after a tragic accident in the meadow. Aaron, a compassionate monk, discovered the grieving family and offered a simple prayer with steadfast faith. As the story unfolds, the child miraculously regained consciousness, leaving the community in awe of this divine intervention. Aaron's miraculous act became a beacon of hope, demonstrating the power of unwavering belief and compassion. Through this compelling narrative, Saint Aaron's lesser-known tale of faith invites us to reflect on the impact of compassion and the transformative miracles that can arise from earnest prayer.